So this is what it actually feels like, most probably to drive in heaven. And this is all year round. It looks like this in the Vumba. So today we are going to Malinki's most favorite of all favorite places. Baby Jane, where are we going?
Leopard Rock.
Leopard Rock Hotel. Malinki just loves leopard. And one day we're going to get married at Leopard Rock. Ne Malinki?
For sure.
For sure. So let's go do Vumba and let me show you a little bit more about the magic of Vumba. Arrivari. So this is the road down again to Leopard Rock Hotel, but unreal beautiful. Check here. This is insanely beautiful. It's almost like driving in a tunnel of green.
Dust on the wheels, gravel roads call, Trans-Africa tours, we're ready for it all. 4x4 beasts roaring through the wild unknown, overlanding free where the wild winds blow. Start tight, choppers, engines ignite, hit the African trails, into the light. Campfires glowing under starry skies, wildlife roaming as the sunset dies.
So now check now, man, this is now where we get to the gates. And even, what is this Malinki? Bushbuck. Two bushbuck crossing here. Let me see if I can get them. Oh, there they are. Check there. There they go. But very skittish. Beautiful, beautiful bushbuck. Insanely beautiful. Leopard Rock, your beauty. But now lo and behold, the beauty of Leopard Rock. Check it. Check this, check this. Check this. Check this. So this is a golf course in Manicaland. So let's go show you what the hotel itself looks like. So now we're going up to reception. But this gardens, ne? Gardens. This is Zimbabwe, guys. Believe it or not. And the haters, you can get chest pains, but this is Zimbabwe. And this is the famous Leopard Rock Hotel. So let me take you inside and go show you. So when I get out of the bakkie, all I hear is Arrivari.
Welcome, welcome.
Welcome, my brother. Good to be back.
Good to see you.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Is the Mazondo ready? Is the Mazondo ready?
Yes, Mazondo is ready.
But check this. This is the pool area. And man, insanely beautiful. Insanely. Sure. Heaven on earth again. And this is the famous Leopard Rock. Let's go inside. Let me go show you one of the beautiful, most beautiful trees in the world. In the world. And there's the guy meeting each and every one as they arrive here. Personally meeting them, welcoming them to Leopard Rock Hotel. Boetie!
Yes. Welcome to Leopard
Rock Hotel.
Put it there, my brother.
I'm alright. Good to see you.
Good, man. Good, good, good. Lekker to be back, man.
Yeah, sure.
Kyk my chandeliers en my
So,
bank.
this is Malinki's ultimate, most favorite place in the world. Check hierdie Johnny, ne? Check hierso. This is just outside of reception. This massive, massive, big old tree. But the one thing for Malinki is wherever you go in this hotel, if it's here, no matter where, fresh flowers, my broer, everywhere in this place. So let's go explore as the choppers are rolling in. So not only is Leopard Rock an insanely beautiful hotel, this is home of one of the most famous golf courses in Zimbabwe. Check this out. This is, so if you are a golfer, book your trip to Manica Land, to Leopard Rock, to Vumba. Because can you imagine yourself playing golf on this unbelievable, beautiful golf course? And this goes down, down, down in a valley and then comes up again. And not only golf, there's tennis courts. There is so much to do here at Leopard Rock. And you don't need to camp, my broer. I'll go show you what the rooms look like in Leopard Rock Hotel. You can just come book in at Leopard Rock Hotel and treat yourself to a 2, 3, 5, 10-day stay. Because whatever you book is not going to be enough. Because this is true beauty. Check, 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 check. Beautiful pond. Man, these trees, these roads, check out all the gardens. Immaculately kept. Check here. So yeah, let's go eat Mazondo. Let's go park there in the parking bay. So I've organized this beautiful guide of Leopard Rock Hotel. Can you please tell us a little bit more about this room?
I can. The Royal Highness Princess Margaret, the youngest sister of Queen Elizabeth II,
Yeah.
nee, daughter of King George and Queen Elizabeth.
Right, Malinki, show us. Enter my room. More
Here she stored her
crown jewels.
Yeah.
But check. Malinki.
And she sat on that loo.
Mos you know, Mos Malinki, we are here Valentine, eh? I think I must treat you with this.
Not in Margaret's room.
No.
I'm staying in Elizabeth's room.
Can we go have a look at Elizabeth's room?
Yep, yep.
But check this old school. Malinki, this is almost like time just stood still here.
And they ask,
Yeah.
do not steal towels. You can buy $20.
So let's go show us the room, Malinki.
Okay, come on.
Left, right, center.
Right.
Let's go check. Whose room is that?
That is the Queen Mother.
The Queen Mother.
The mother?
The Mother Queen.
Mother.
This is timeless. Timeless. Let me just show you. This is a honeymoon suite being prepared. Yeah. Girls, how insanely beautiful is this? The swans of love. And check the little heart. I'm sure this is for me and Malinki, ne? Well done, ladies. Well done. Beautiful. And now it's time for the flowers, ne? Whole bed is going to be covered with flowers. Sure. Wow. So, let's go see. Right, Malinki?
To the right.
To the right.
Let's see here.
Yeah. So this is Her Royal Highness Queen Elizabeth II, Queen Mother.
Stayed here during the 1953 royal visit.
So let me tell you, if it's good enough for a queen, it's good enough for my Damara queen. Now, Malinki, I think it's time. You know, me and Malinki, we're going to get married in this hotel one day, ne, Malinki?
Yeah.
For sure. Zimbabwe will be our wedding venue. So let me show you a little bit more around of this beautiful Leopard Rock Hotel.
View.
Let me show them the view. Let me just show you the view from this window onto the pool where you can check all the girlies in their bikinis
Where
hanging
is
out.
that?
Ah, grappie. Ow, 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 ow.
Yeah,
Okay.
we want to get married.
Yes, Ina.
Oh, look at all the girls
Ina, Ina.
in bikini.
I love you, my Damara Queen. Come here. Kom hier so. Kom hier so.
Now the wedding's off.
Arrivari. So Malinki just saw this, the presidential suite. So Malinki says, Georgie, this is where we will. So there's one ablution, but check the beauty of these tiles, né? And you have your own private balcony going out overlooking the pool. And then when you enter this room, check this presidential bed. Malinki, I think we found our room, baby. Your room, and I'll sleep on the couch here. Just look here.
That's nice.
Malinki just looks like she belongs in a room like this. Huh? And it's still not the end of it. Yeah. Yeah, Malinki. Malinki, Malinki. This is where your bodyguards will sleep, Malinki.
Depends on how they look.
Oh, depends on how they look.
More than welcome to
Now,
share.
I have to deal with this on a daily basis. My lewe is hell. So let's go chow, baby. Ding dong! Ding dong! Arrivari! Arrivari! So this is the one thing Malinki loves about this hotel. Is everywhere you go, it's just fresh flowers. So some of the Trans-Africa victims relaxing. But the rest of them, ne? Just check here. Malinki at the bar. Always at the bar. Brandy and Coke. And if this bar can tell stories, guys, yo, imagine. So let me go show you my most favorite part of this hotel. So there's a painting. But check out this beautiful old school leather couch. But this painting, this is a pencil sketch, but unbelievable realistic by this guy. I don't know who he is. But if you see this ever, my bro, this to me is the most beautiful leopard painting in the whole of the world. And then if you go outside of this door, you're on the veranda or the patio. And there's still a lot of rooms. We didn't even go into those rooms. All we show you now was the rooms above here. These rooms. Those are the ones that we showed you just now. But these gardens, these Leopard Rock gardens, Moersamor in the pool. But let's go eat. Let's go eat Mazondo and Zimbabwe meaty bones with salsa. This is heaven. Malinki. You make this place shine, baby.
Jonas maak so, nee.
Yeah, show us how we make, ne?
Tafel.
Off the table. Then you open it up and you put it on
Not
your
like
lap.
this. Nee, kyk.
Yeah. Yeah, like G. Not like G. Like the queen, the Damara queen herself, ne? But again, Malinki, flowers, ne? There's flowers. And on the table is flowers. You are the most beautiful flower in all of the gardens. But check net hierso. This is Zimbabwe, my brother. How do we say?
Zimbabwe is number one.
Zimbo.
Zimbo.
Malinki, Zimbo.
Zimbo.
Let's eat. I'm going to show you now what we have ordered. Yeah, that's beautiful. So Malinki, ne, this is how you know you've got a real Zimbo man, ne? If he orders Mazondo, proper mazondo, ne? And because mazondo is not enough, ne, for me, ne, meaty bone Zimbabwe style. And kimunati kaufela. Kimunati kaufela satsa. Malinki, the bull in me is awakening. Arrivari. So, Malinki, there's a lot of people that will not know what mazondo is. So mazondo is the cow hooves. Now the right way of preparing it is it gets thrown in the fire, the hair gets burned off, and then it gets scraped, cut with an axe, put in a pot, and then cooked till it is like this juicy and soft, ne? And I must promise you, ne, it is really moersemoer. Jy moet na die kaufela lekker. Honestly, even this old Madala, ne?
Nou sê die ou weer.
This old Madala.
My first time with
He ordered
Mazondo.
Mazondo.
My first time with Mazondo.
En
Excellent.
You see.
Excellent. In Zimbabwe.
You see,
Zombo.
Zimbo food for Zimbos. Arrivari.